This Towering Pines real estate property video is presented by Lydia Macinta. Located between the Seven Lakes West Front Gate and Johnson Point Marina and Beach, this corner lot fronts Longleaf Drive with Patman Drive as an option for driveway. Sellers had planned to build and have everything done as far as planning, septic, site maps, floor plans, roof plans, new survey done, and more, but they found an existing home instead. So, if you're looking for a relatively flat lot in a beautiful community and don't want to wait 4 months for a septic permit, this lot's for you. Seven Lakes West amenities include a community center with basketball court, tennis court, pool, and playground areas as well as meeting rooms and library, Johnson's Point Marina, beach, and playground area, Lake Almanan.